Hi, I'm Rick Carter, CEO of Spotter EDU. As campus life continues to change daily, we wanted to share with you how Spotter EDU can effectively help you thrive and create a sustainable new norm. Over the next 4 weeks, we are going to review with you how the Spotter EDU platform can limit financial leakage, organize all of your attendance data in one place, and have one-click contact tracing. We believe that we can make a major difference on your campus. At Spotter EDU, we define a student success network as advisors, coaches, professors, or anyone that can impact a student on a day-to-day basis with accurate information. As a former coach, I realize the importance of getting accurate information. In order for students to have success, all parties around them need to be able to get information in real time. As an advisor, you're reliant upon a professor to give you the information that a student has not been showing up. As a professor, you're relying on a student letting you know the issues that they have or why they haven't been coming to class. But none of those things can be identified until you see that there is an issue or a problem. At Spotter, we are going to send you real-time information, real-time reporting that lets you know when an issue is occurring and giving you the ability to do your job without relying on anyone else and directly affecting your student and their day-to-day life. Thank you for your time. Next week, we will be reviewing how we can limit financial leakage on your campus through the Spotter EDU platform. If you have any questions, you can visit our website at www.spotteredu.com, or you can reach out directly to me at rick@spotteredu.com. Looking forward to hearing from you guys. Have a great rest of the week.